In Arabic, there are 28 letters. The Arabic script is written from right to left. Here, on the panel, you can see that there are letters which look very similar to each other. You can tell the difference between them because of dots called diacritical marks. For example, this is the letter ba, and this is the letter ta. The difference between them is that the letter ba has a dot beneath the letter, whilst ta has 2 dots above. In this course, we will learn to read Arabic in chunks. In each section, we will learn a number of letters, and at the same time we will learn to read whole words. We will learn the letters in a comfortable and easy order, rather than the order of the Arabic alphabet. There are 3 rules which we will now meet. They will help you as we encounter the letters. The first rule: Arabic letters are joined to each other. For example, here we have the name Muhammad. It is not possible to write in Arabic without joining the letters. The second rule: there are 6 letters which do not join to the letter that follows them. For example, here we have the name Sara. It contains 4 letters: Sin, Alif, Ra, Alif. We see the letter Sin and afterwards the letter Alif, which are joined. But after the letter Alif, the joining stops. Let's look again at the name Sara. We see also that the letter Ra is not joined to the letter which follows it. The third rule: let's have another look at our panel of letters. We see all 28 letters of the Arabic alphabet in their separate or full form. This is the form of the letter when it is not joined, or if it is at the end of a word. When the letter is joined, its form is shortened. For example, this is the letter Sin in its separate form. However, when it is connected to an alif, as in Sara, the letter looks like this. Keep these rules in mind,